My Frigidaire air conditioner I've had for 4 years done went to lunch on me, so I found this TCL 12,000 BTU. The Frigidaire was at 10,000 BTU at Best Buy for under $300, including tax. And so I just got this in here today, put it in. These are casement windows from the mid-50s, and so these crank open. You turn a crank and the window glass opens like a barn door. So this is how I had to mount the air conditioner, using plywood to frame around it. But this thing works pretty good for $300, $296 for 12,000 BTU. TCL. It's a TCL. So that's what I've been up to. And so I'll get to work on other things when I can and chime in. Thanks for watching. Later.